Hello friends and welcome back to my channel and hope you enjoyed my last video on beef patties. Today I'm gonna make a similar video using the puff pastry method, which are known as chicken patties or chicken puffs. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Start with boiling a small piece of chicken. You can use a small chicken breast. Once the chicken pieces are done and ready, allow them to cool down completely. Add the chicken pieces onto a chopping board and start shredding them into smaller components. Once shredded, let's start preparing the mixture for the chicken patties. In the same pan, add a little of the oil, just a tad. You do not need too much of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add the chopped onion and saute it on a medium flame until golden brown. Once the onion is lightly sauteed, add the chicken pieces and give it a quick mix. Now add in half a teaspoon of coriander powder, followed by 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, just a hint of turmeric powder and some chili powder, and finally goes in the salt. You can add any spices of your choice, but these are some basic spices. Mix all of them together until all the spices get blended well into the mixture, and finally goes in a teaspoon of butter. This is completely optional, but I have used it because it blends really well and it gives it a nice flavor. Let the mixture cool down completely before using. While the mixture is cooling down completely, let's start preparing a puff pastry. Before cutting the puff pastries, let's set the oven to preheat for about 15 minutes. I have used the puff pastry, just a normal puff pastry. All you need to do is take it out of the fridge for about 15 minutes before cutting it. Let's shape the puff pastries into the desired shape, but I'm gonna shape the puff pastries into a triangle shape. So I'm gonna make 6 puffs out of it. So I'm gonna cut them accordingly. You can cut your puff pastries however you like it. So this will give me a total of 6 puffs. Once you have cut your puff pastries, flip them over onto the other side and let's start filling them accordingly. Now taking in a tablespoon of the prepared and completely cooled down chicken filling, add a tablespoon on each of the puff pastries. Take a little water in a bowl and just apply it to the side, just like that. and seal the puff into the triangle shape and secure it using your fingertips. So that's one ready. Continue the same process. So just dip in a finger into the bowl of water, apply it on all the sides just like this, and seal the puffs. Once all of the puffs are ready, transfer these into your baking tray. Now take in your egg wash and apply it onto the puffs and bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. As you can see, our chicken patties are getting ready. They are almost done. Another couple of minutes and they will be ready to be served. Here they are, our golden and crispy chicken patties are ready. Let them cool for a while and then you can enjoy them with a hot cup of tea or coffee. Thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe for more upcoming recipes.